Right, so we already did this once, but my camera fucked up. We have to do a second Dublin Drop.
Dublin Drop, but we have to now describe it.
Let's bring it all the way back. All right, so in honor of St. Paddy's Day,
I'm gonna do stuff while you talk.
in the fashion of America, we're gonna get trashed. We're gonna do a Dublin Drop. It requires Guinness, usually Bailey's Irish cream, but today we're gonna be using Liquor 43 horchata. It's vegan. It's delicious. So yeah, we're doing our second one now. Please don't fuck up again. This battery is good. Okay, we're good.
So yes, I mean, come on, you can't get more St. Paddy's Day than a Dublin Drop. We all know what it is. We all have had experiences at some point on St. Paddy's Day with some form of a drop a shot into a beer and pour it into something and drink it. My favorite one, to be honest with you, is this one because A, not do I drink beer all that often, but Guinness is scrumptious. Yeah, like it's light, but it's still like stouty. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then we're using the horchata liqueur and just some random brown.
All right, here we go.
Oh my lord, I don't even know where I'm pouring this from. I can't see. So yes, to what Ronnie said, like literally, oh lord, lordy, help me. No, we literally, we just chugged one, and here we are. Again.
And I can't do a third.
I can't do a third.
Okay. So when was your last Irish car bomb? Let's do this all again. Fuck it. When's your last Irish car bomb?
I'm not wearing a watch. 7 minutes ago.
7 minutes ago. Okay, before that, 10, 12 years ago.
Yes, Four-Faced Liar, West Village, New York City, one of the most amazing, beautiful, like family cheers type Irish bars that exists on the planet. Yes, I used to frequent there all the time when they first opened and the paint was drying and I love them. And this is a shout out to Sean and Connor and one up there for Denver.
My last one, as I said before in the previous video before it fucked up, was 12 years ago, 30th birthday of my friends who turned 30, and it was the second cocktail we had of the evening. And I was already inebriated.
Dad.
It was, you know what, it was Vegas. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. It does not stay in Vegas. I took pictures of everything. It's amazing.
Do not trust him.
It's amazing. I always have a camera.
I am a vault.
It's wonderful. Anyway. All right, here we go. Cheers.
Oh, Lord. I don't know if I'm... Okay. All right. I'll do my best.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Slanche.
Slanche. Ah! I did so much better than last time. This is so sad.
Oh, God. You know what?
Shari, out on this. You go. Oh my God. What?
Oh, that's so cool. you know you're getting... you're getting old.
Get weird.
When you're complaining about a cocktail, it's like, oh God, that's too cold.
Brain freeze.
Happy St. Paddy's Day.
So fun, y'all.
Oh, my fucking beard is covered in cream.
Woo!